how to check or view your Pinterest history. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can check or view your Pinterest history. For that, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. At the bottom of the screen, you will find 5 different icons. Click on that magnifying glass icon which represents the search icon. Once you have clicked on the search icon, you will be directed to the search bar. Here you can type in your query or topic of the interest. Also below you will see the search history you have previously searched. If you want to manage your search history, you can do so by clicking on the cross button to each entry. This will remove the item from your search history. By following these steps, you can easily view and manage your Pinterest search history, allowing you to access past searches and streamline your browsing experience. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.